I'm going to show you how you can create or generate websites in just a few seconds using ChatGPT AI. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the process is very easy. All you need to do is create your ChatGPT account and log in, and then click right here, open this sidebar, and at the top you will see this option which is a website generator. So click right there and you will see this option to create a website in seconds. This will generate design, write code, and write copy for your website. So you can use any of these four buttons, but in my case, I already did a test where the prompt I used was use a simple website called Tech Academy Tutorials, where I will post tech related tutorials. So I got 5 different variations. You can see how good they look like, and I just got them in like 10 seconds. And if I want to customize them, I can just click here, and this will redirect me to a website where I can create an account to customize the code or the design and then publish the website completely for free. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.